गोंया खातीर अभिमानाचो खीण. ब्रिटीश संसदेंतल्या हाऊस ऑफ कॉमन्सांत गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे अध्यक्ष आनी फातोर्डाचे आमदार विजय सरदेसायाक द पीपल्स अवॉर्ड 2026 खाला इंटरनॅशनल पॉलिटिशियन ऑफ द इयर हो पुरस्कार फावो जालो. हो भोवमान मेळोवपी तो पयलो गोंयकार. हो पुरस्कार स्विकारतना तांणी परदेशांत रावपी गोंयकारांक दोट्टी नागरिकत्वाची मागणी करपाचेर भर दिलो.
I was overawed by the occasion, especially because I'm in politics for quite some time, but to be adjudged the best politician of the year is a very big honor, and I will cherish this, especially because it's in the right place. I would like to thank the people of Goa who stood by me with our slogan of Goinkar Pon, which in Konkani means Goa, Goan and Goanness. Goa is the smallest state of India, but it makes up much in being a very liberal, inclusive and a very progressive state of the country. We have a very distinct identity which we have maintained through a historic opinion poll. This is the only referendum in modern Indian history. A referendum where we maintained our distinct identity, our way of life, and from then onwards, it's always been a struggle for us Goans to see that we protect our land, our culture, our tradition, and our identity. Honor is not only a personal honor for me, it's an honor for the people of the state. It is for those people who have been trying to maintain our identity, maintain our uniqueness. And especially in these times, it's quite difficult, but we still do it. I would like to raise an issue that touches a predominant section of the Indian diaspora, especially Goan origin people. This recognition is not a culmination of my effort, but basically an encouragement to fight for Goa and its Goanness and our distinct identity.